Hello friends, today we're going to read There's a Bird on Your Head, an Elephant and Piggie book by Willems. Piggie! Is something on my head? Yes. There's a bird on your head. There's a bird on my head? Oh! Is the bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They're in love. The birds on my head are in love? They're lovebirds. Lovebirds. How do you know they're lovebirds? They're making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head. Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? 1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. Are the eggs gone? The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The birds on my head are hatching? Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds in a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds and a nest on my head. Then, where do you want them? Somewhere else! Why not ask them to go someplace else? Ask them? Ask them! Okay, I'll try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go someplace else? No problem. It worked. Bye! Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggie. Thank you very much. You're very welcome. Hey, if you want more books from me to read, subscribe and hit the bell icon if you want more books from me to read.